Hello everyone, welcome to Kalki Krishna Diary. I'm Kalki. I do movie reviews, movie analysis and movie recommendation. And today I'm going to talk about Raat Akeli Hai, which is streaming on Netflix now. Whenever Netflix comes with its original, especially film in Indian content, I expect really less. But this time I was really looking forward to Raat Akeli Hai because the trailer was really promising. Raat Akeli Hai is a suspense crime drama from the production company of RSVP Movies, which is also responsible for films like Uri and the spectacular Son Chidiya. This film is written by Smita Singh, who is also a part of screenplay writing of the film, and directed by Hani Trihan. Music by Sneha Khanwalkar and cinematography by Pankaj Kumar. Let's take a glimpse of the story now. This film is set on one place and the owner of a powerful family got killed on his own wedding day. The murder happens in his own room, but nobody knows anything about it. So the doubt goes to each of the family member, including the local politician. The story has well placed and it has the true sense of suspense. The expression of the characters speak more than words. You will feel each of the character belongs to the story. I cannot take a break from appreciating each of the cast of the film. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, the inspector in charge who is handling the case, is mind-blowing. He is a bachelor and frustrated. His mother, played by Ila Arun, is hilarious. Their jodi has already proven in. Apart from a brilliant singer, Ila Arun is also a capable actor. There is no doubt. Radhika Apte, the lead suspect of the murder, whose husband got killed, as usual, amazing. It's good to see Radhika back on Netflix. She is confident and has her own mind. She is the only female in the family who speaks her own. Shivani Raghuvanshi and Sweta Tripathi are again proving their capability. You will feel the suffocation, the helplessness of Sweta Tripathi in the film. As in the story, the women don't have a voice. Tigmanshu Dhulia as SSP is too good. Direction and acting दोनों में ये बहुत सही है. Each of his expression will confuse the audience. I love the dining table scene where Tigmanshu was having his meal and Nawaz was explaining something about the case. Is absolutely a treat to the eye. The body language, the expression of Tigmanshu Dhulia was worth watching. Aditya Srivastava as Munna Raja, the MLA, has done a wonderful job. Other actors who are part of this film all have done a praiseworthy performance. फिल्म में उनका 2-3 सीन भी क्यों ना हो, all have done a wonderful job. मतलब लगता है ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स इसी स्टोरी को ही बिलोंग करते हैं. It's not a film, it's a real story. This film has also, indirectly or directly, talked about classism, racism and sexism. बॉडी कलर को लेके लोगों को पसंद या ना पसंद करना, वोमेन आर नॉट हैविंग देयर वॉइस, फैमिली बैकग्राउंड के हिसाब से औकात का पता लगाना, रेप विक्टिम को चुप करवाना बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ए टॉपिक टू डिस्कस अबाउट, एंड चूजिंग सन अवर डॉटर. अपने बेटे का फ्यूचर उज्जवल होना चाहिए. बेटी का चाहे उसका फ्यूचर चाहे बर्बाद भी हो जाए, इससे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. This film has focused on such patriarchy. Raat Akeli Hai is 2 hours 30 minutes long. Sometimes it feels lethargic. ऐसा लगता है कि 15 से 20 मिनट कम हो सकता था, but that's absolutely fine. The music plays a big role. The art design, the costume, the makeup, everything is complementing the story and the characters. I'll give this film 8 out of 10. लास्ट में जब पता चलता है कि मर्डरर कौन है एंड जो जस्टिस दिया जाता है एंड में, दैट इज स्पेक्टेकुलर, दैट इज सेटिस्फैक्ट्री. You must watch this film. Well, this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this film in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channels. It will give me some support to make more videos. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.